Without a network management system, the utility operator has little insight into the exact pressure and rate of flow available to each consumer in the network, other than a rule of thumb that assumes the network is performing properly and is subject to normal consumption. With the Aquis pressure optimization module, the operator can reduce the typical supply pressure by between 10 and 20%, reduce leakage through existing leaks by 10 to 20%, reduce the risk of additional leaks, reduce pumping costs of between 5 and 10%, giving a saving in CO2 emissions by reducing energy consumption up to 5%. The return on investment is typically less than 2 years. With the Aquis pump and reservoir optimization module, the operator can reduce the electricity consumption by 10 to 15% and reduce the CO2 emission with 10 to 15%. The return on investment is typically less than 2 years. Both the pressure optimization and pump and reservoir optimization modules draw on the Aquis historical database and external data sources, such as weather forecasts, to predict likely demand profiles based on historical data and expected weather conditions. Network performance is never perfect, and consumption can fluctuate. To take account of this, the unmanaged network must always operate at a higher pressure than necessary, simply to ensure a margin of safety to meet demand. For the unmanaged network, this strategy implies a considerable waste of energy in maintaining a pressure higher than required, together with the need for pressure control valves throughout the system to limit excess pressure where it's not required. Excess pressure operation also causes more leaks, typically in the least accessible parts of the network, incurring downtime, reduced service, extra maintenance costs, and the waste of water. With the Aquis pressure optimization module, the network can be operated within tighter parameters, ensuring adequate pressure all the time, without wasted energy and unnecessary leakages. With the Aquis pump and reservoir optimization module, the operator achieves additional control of pumping stations and reservoirs, enabling the selection of multiple supply sources at the optimal cost to meet the demand at any given time.